Pheasant815 here. Just going to do a little reloading video for you. First thing you'll need, which I happen to have right here, is some clean brass. This brass here has been cleaned. It's been tumbled, so it's all clean, but it does still have, if you can see there, it's spent primer. You can kind of see the dimple there from where the striker hit it. But it is in fact cleaned out. One thing that's important if you pick up range brass is that not only do you inspect the case extra thoroughly around the rim and then in the back here for any bulge, is that you also double check inside. This happens to be a 9mm cartridge, and to reload it you need the standard boxered kind of reload. So if you look in there, you should see just one hole in the center of the cartridge, which we all use to decompress, or not decompress, to remove the primer. Some European designs have two holes. Those are good for recycling, but not for reloading. So let's get started. I'll have my 5 pieces of clean, ready to go brass lined up here, and you're going to need a reloading device of some sort. I have here a Lee single station. So I'm going to open my drawer here and pull out the first die. So we got a the first die here has the pin, which will knock out the spent primer out of the bottom here, and then it also will resize the case. So I'm going to load that in top here with these quick change bushings. The bushings allow me just to have everything set and then just drop it in, and oops, probably if there we go. That locks into place. I already have the attachment for the 9mm brass, but I'm just going to slide that in. And one other piece. I usually have this off, but even though I do, I put in the new primer with the hand priming tool, the auto priming tool. I like to have this in here right now because it prevents the old primer from shooting out all over. It just goes straight out this tube into this collection tube with the spent primers. I'll show you what happens if I don't have this piece in right now in my Lee press. So I pulled this out. It is deprimed. You should be able to see the hole there. A little bit of light coming through there. But it's pretty filthy, so we'll have to clean that. But I put it over here. It's also been resized. But here's what happens if I don't have it there. This piece. It just drizzled off the side, and now it's a mess on my floor. So if you have a Lee press, make sure to keep this guy in. Alright. That's 3. And also because I have that in, if I go all the way down, I could load a primer in over here and it would push that in. If you can see it popping up and push the primer in, but that's not how I load my primer, so though you very well could. Alright, and 5. Alright, now we have 5 pieces of range brass that's been cleaned. It's also been resized just now and deprimed. Now we need to clean out that priming pocket, prime it, and that will be step 2. Let's go to step 2.